Let's read a promise together. It's found in Psalm 32, verses 1 and 2. Blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Blessed is the man unto whom the Lord imputeth not iniquity, and in whose spirit there is no guile. What a beautiful thought to begin with. David doesn't just say forgiveness is good, he says you are blessed. Not a fleeting happiness from a meal or a sunny day, but a deep, soul-settling joy that comes from God. A happiness that anchors you when the world feels unsteady. To be blessed is to be divinely favored, held in grace no circumstance can touch. This is not a wish, it is a declaration. God himself announces your well-being. It doesn't depend on your performance or achievements. It rests entirely on his forgiveness. You don't earn this blessedness, you receive it. A gift wrapped in mercy, tied with grace. Transgression is stepping over the line. In Hebrew, forgiven means lifted and carried away. God removes it from your story. Sin is missing the mark. God covers it. His goodness conceals the stain. Iniquity is our inner crookedness. God does not count it against us. Forgiven, we stop hiding. A spirit without guile is honest, authentic, free. Like a heavy pack removed, you stand taller, breathe deeper. That's the felt blessing of forgiveness. He silences the accuser and breaks the chains to your past. Peace settles in the quiet. Free to look ahead without glancing back. Hope is reborn. Like a debt canceled. Shame lifts. Possibilities open. Blessed are the forgiven, lifted, covered, not counted against. Hearts at rest. Daily, we miss the mark. Small failures can hum like guilt in the background. Psalm 32 is a cool drink for a thirsty soul. Grace in this very moment. You don't have to carry it all day. Bring it to him and find release. Like a child learning to walk, he lifts us, encourages the next step. Your Father knows you'll stumble. His forgiveness is his steadying hand. Woke with dread from yesterday, your transgression can be lifted and carried away. Afraid to be seen, your sin can be covered, you can live without guile. Feeling the weight of imperfection, God chooses not to count your iniquity. When storms of self-condemnation rage, run to this psalm. Let it remind you, you are seen, you are known, you are completely forgiven. Step out of the prison of guilt into the wide open spaces of grace. Forgiveness, receiving it from God, extending it to others, is the key to inner peace. Grace gives courage to reconcile. Peace begins when guilt releases its grip. This freedom is available right now. You don't earn it or wait to feel worthy. Open your hands and receive. Acknowledge the weight. Confess transgression and iniquity. He will lift it. He will cover it. He will not count it against you. True inner peace isn't found in perfection. It's found in being perfectly forgiven. The peace you long for is waiting on the other side. Will you walk through the open door of forgiveness today?
How can you apply the message of this verse to strengthen your faith today?
Thank you for watching. May God's Word continue to guide and strengthen you every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Bible verses and life-changing messages. Only here on Bible Verses of Life. Stay blessed, stay faithful, and always keep God first.